any issue or discussion. That has to be kept in mind. Papers to be laid. There is a procedure, you know. Sukend, you have been in the chair also, senior also. So papers to be laid on the table. Sri Muralidharan, Parliament Affairs. Papers first.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleagues, Sri Som Prakash ji and Sri Kailash Chaudhary ji, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names and serial numbers 1 and 2 respectively in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce. Sri John Bittas. Acha.
English and Hindi of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce mentioned against my name in the list of business today.
Thank you, Mr. John Bittas. You have understood the spirit of my observation, and even before I sent circular, you have gone to the respective place allotted to you. I appreciate you for this. Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Sri T.G. Venkatesh.
Respected Chairman, sir, I rise to present the 293rd report on status of aviation connectivity in the country, both Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Sri Vivek Thakur.
Sir, I rise to lay the 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd and 24th reports, Hindi and English versions, of the Standing Committee on Labour as listed against my name in the list of businesses.
Reports of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes. Sri Narayana Koragappa.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table 6 report of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes as listed against my name in the today's list of business. These reports were presented on Honourable Speaker under Direction 71A of the directions by the Speaker Lok Sabha on 13/6/2020 and 25/7/2020. The reports were also placed before the Honourable Chairman Rajya Sabha on 22/6/2020 and 30/7/2020 when the House was not in session. So, thank you, sir.
Statement by Minister Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आज की संशोधित क्रम संख्या 7 मेरे ग्रामीण विकास विभाग मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 19-20 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधी ग्रामीण विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के प्रथम प्रतिवेदन के अंतर्विहित सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में एक वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर रखती हूँ।
Motion for election to the Coconut Development Board Kochi. Sri Narendra Singh Tomar.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं यह प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि नारियल विकास बोर्ड नियम 1981 के नियम 4 के उपनियम 1 के खंड 1 और 2 के साथ पठित नारियल विकास बोर्ड अधिनियम 1979 की संख्या 5 की धारा 4 की उपधारा 4 के खंड अणा के अनुसरण में यह सभा उस रीति से जैसा सभापति निर्देश दें सभा के सदस्यों में से एक सदस्य को नारियल विकास बोर्ड का सदस्य होने के लिए निर्वाचित कार्रवाई करनी है।
Motion moved. Those in favor please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. There is still business. I have to inform the members that the Business Advisory Committee on its meeting held on 22nd July 2021 has allotted time for government legislative and other business as follows. Statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Insolvency Bankrupt Code number 3, 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 4th April 2021, admitted in the names of Sri Shakti Singh Gohel, Sri Ramaram Karim, Sri D.V. Sivadasan, Sri Vinay Viswam, and Sri M.V. Shreyams Kumar. Consideration passing of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Bill to replace Ordinance, 3 hours to be discussed together. Then, statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Commission of Air Quality Management in National Capital Region, adjoining areas Ordinance 2021, number 4 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 13th April 2021, admitted in the names of Shakti Singh Gohel, Sri Ramaram Karim, Dr. V. Sivadasan, Sri Vinay Viswam, Sri M.V. Shreyams Kumar, and Derek Weberin. The consideration and passing of the Commission for Air Quality Management in the National Capital Region and adjoining areas Bill 2021 to replace an ordinance. 3 hours to be discussed together. The statute resolution seeking disapproval of the Essential Defence Services Ordinance 2021, number 7 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India, admitted in the names of Sri Yanamaram Karim, Sri M. Shanmugam, Dr. V. Sivadasan, Sri Vinay Viswam, and Sri M. V. Shreyams Kumar. Consideration and passing of the Essential Defence Service Bill 2021, 3 hours to be discussed together. And then the statute resolution seeking disapproval of Indian Medicines Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021, number 5 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 22nd April 2021, admitting the names of Sri Sikthi Singh Gohel, Sri Yanamaram Karim, Dr. V. Sivadasan, Vinay Viswam, and M. V. Shreyams Kumar. Consideration and passing of the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Bill to replace an ordinance, 2 hours to be allotted. Ministry of Parliament Affairs will inform the distribution of time between 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. Statute resolution seeking disapproval of the same. Consideration and passing of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill to replace the ordinance. Consideration and passing of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha, 3 hours. Consideration and passing of the Inland Vessels Bill 2021 after it's passed by Lok Sabha, 2 hours. Consideration and passing of the Coconut Development Board, 1 hour. Consideration and return of the appropriation bills relating to following demands after they are passed by Lok Sabha. Supplementary demands for grants for 2020, 21-22, demands for excess grants for 17-18, 5 hours to be discussed together. The committee also recommended that the House may sit beyond 6 p.m. and as and when necessary for the transaction of the government, legislative and other business. I have to inform members that letters have been received from Sri K.G. Kenya and Sri Oscar Fernandez for grant of leave of absence on medical ground for entire sitting of the current 254th session of Rajya Sabha. Do they have permission of the House for remaining absent for the period requested by them during the current 254th session of Rajya Sabha? Yes. Permission to remain absent is granted. Statement regarding government business and also the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to announce that government business for the week commencing Monday, the 26th of July 2021 may consist of 1. Further consideration and passing of the Marine Aids to Navigation Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha. 2. Consideration and passing of the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Amendment Bill 2021 as passed by Lok Sabha. 3. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Ordinance 2021.
Please.
Number 3 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 4th April 2021. And consideration and passing of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 4. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and Adjoining Areas Ordinance 2021. Number 4 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 13th April 2021, and consideration and passing of the Commission for Air Quality Management in National Capital Region and Adjoining Areas Bill 2021. 5. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Essential Defence Services Ordinance 2021. Number 7 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 30th June 2021, and consideration and passing of the Essential Defence Services Bill 2021 after it is passed by Lok Sabha. 6. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021. That's number 5 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 22nd April 2021, and consideration and passing of the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Bill 2021. 7. Discussion on statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021 of 2021, number 6 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 16th May 2021, and consideration and passing of the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2021. 8. Consideration and passing of the Coconut Development Board Amendment Bill 2021 after its introduction. 9. Consideration and passing of the following bills after they are passed by Lok Sabha. 1. The Inland Vessels Bill 2021. 2. The Factoring Regulation Bill 2021.
Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, I will come to you.
Sir, I move that Dr. Shantanu Sen, AITC, be suspended from the services of the House for the remaining part of the current session for his unruly behavior, unbecoming of a member of Rajya Sabha yesterday, the 22nd July 2021, by snatching the copy of the statement from the Minister of Railways, Minister of Communications and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, tearing and throwing it towards the chair, thereby bringing disrepute to this august House.
Motion moved. Those in favor say yes. Those who will say yes, no. Yes, approved. Dr. Shantanu Sen stands suspended for remaining part of the bill. For the remaining part of the session. Suken Sekarai is saying something, please. If others sit down, I can allow you. What is your point of order, please? If a please, bite jaye.
1 second.
I have called him.
Sir,
please sit down.
Before I come to my 267 notice, the way the motion has been
Shantanu
moved...
Sen, you have to withdraw from the House.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah, I am coming to you.
May I submit?
Please.
You have allowed the Honourable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs to move a motion suspending Dr. Shantanu Sen from the remaining part of the session. But the matter is not in the list of the business, number one. So we did not have any opportunity to react on that, because whether the government is moving such motion, we are quite unaware of it. Because it was not included.
What is the point of order?
It was not included in the list.
No, I have approved it.
You may approve.
To me.
You may approve it without.
It is a question of dignity of this House.
Sir,
if you have any other point of order, please.
Sir, I am giving point of order. Look at the rules regarding list of business. Regarding list of business.
Yeah, please.
1 second, please. 1 second, please. Please come to Rule 180 at page 55. Yes. But don't read the rules. That's the problem.
Please, no commentary between people. Both sides.
List of business. List of business.
Chapter 23.
Huh? Rule? 1 second. Wrongly mentioned here. List of business.
Sukenji.
Sir, please, sir, please. When I am raising it has some substance. List of business. Page 55.
You go through it and then raise it. Meanwhile, I would like to inform Sri K.C. Venugopal. I am giving more opportunity to you. Yes. I agree with you. Yes. Yeah. No, Mr.
Sir.
No, please, I have not given you permission. I am hearing you. Right. No, please don't raise your voice. No. You have raised your hand. I have noticed it. I have to answer what Mr. Jairam Ramesh has said. The minister has made a statement. Members have a right, as per the president, to seek clarification from the minister. I will talk to the minister, the concerned minister and leader of the House, and fix time for giving clarification on the statement made by the minister. Then, yes, that's what I am saying. That is only what I am saying. Yes, the members, please, Ramesh, that's what I am saying. Allow the House to function, and then minister has to be told that there are going to be clarifications and will be... No, please. You can't go on making running commentary, Mr. Ramesh. Please sit down. What is Mr. Derek? Mr. Derek, please. This will not go on record.
Sir, my point of order is Rule 258. Now, 258, sir. Now the resolution has come here. None of us have seen the resolution. Yesterday, all the members who were present, after the House was adjourned, there are many witnesses here across political parties who saw the boorish hooliganism of a minister of the cabinet.
This will not go on record. This will not go on record. This is what is happening in the House in the presence of the chair. That is taken note by me. Subsequently, what happened? This has not been brought to my notice except in the newspapers, please. So, Mr. No, you have made your point. Yes. That's what I am saying. Even after the... Please sit down. Please sit down. Mr. Derek, sit down. This is an important issue. Please sit down. This will not go on record. Please sit down. This will not go on record. This will not go on record. Mr. Santanu Sen, please withdraw from the House. Allow the House to function. Allow the House to function. The House is adjourned to meet at 12 p.m. for the question hour.